we're going to make an adorable unicorn house with a lovely fish tank. Put the colored paper on it. Put a cardboard block here.
Wonderful!
We're almost finished the base of the house.
Awesome!
We finished the first step.
Excellent!
Now we're going to make a pot with this green clay. Then the clay piece.
That's so fun!
Stick the pieces together. Add other parts.
Lovely!
Make a flower. Put it in here. Draw eyes for it. Now put some vegetables in here.
That's beautiful!
Finish the kitchen with table and chairs.
Do you love this?
Let's make a birthday cake.
How do you think about that?
Put some milk on it.
If you like it, please comment below.
Put it in the oven.
That's amazing!
Take it out. Let's make a birthday cake with me.
So cute!
Let's start the birthday party. Let's get in the car.
It's adorable!
Let's enjoy the party.
Happy birthday!
Now we're gonna make a unicorn headboard.
Let's subscribe our channel!
Wonderful. Now make a lamp.
So cute!
Cut it. It's time to sleep.
Let's subscribe our channel!
Make a rainbow stair.
Lovely!
This is fish tank. Now we're making a unicorn head.
Excellent!
Use tool to create shape and put eyes and ears for it.
That's beautiful!
We've almost finished it.
That's amazing!
Pour water into the tank.
If you like it, please comment below.
Now we're going to make a television.
Do you love this?
Cover the border.
How do you think about that?
Now let's make a flower chair.
Wonderful!
Next is the sofa for the living room.
It's adorable! Awesome!
This is wonderful house.
That's so fun!
Today, we will make a cute unicorn house surrounded by a fish tank, covered with colored paper sheets. The floor will be pink and wood grain. Cover the walls with pink paper.
How do you think about that?
Almost completed. Done. Join the cardboard sheets with glue to form a block. Wrap it in red paper.
So cute!
Add colorful panels for decoration. Cut cotton swabs to make handles. Stick it up.
Lovely!
Place the refrigerator in this corner. Let's create another block of cardboard to make a kitchen cabinet.
Excellent!
Mix purple and white clay together. We will get light purple clay. Roll the clay into a ball. Press it flat. Use the mold to form a flower shape. Separate it.
Awesome!
Choose one available pattern to decorate. This seems fine. These flowers are used to make kitchen cabinet doors. Cover the edge. Looks great!
That's amazing!
Knead it until it softens. Round it. Use your hands to form a circle. Add ears. Draw more to make it more vivid. Add one yellow horn. Add eyes.
Wonderful!
Draw a little more texture. Put the pieces together. And knob. A very beautiful unicorn gas stove. Let's fry eggs together. Decorate with flower vases. Take a piece of white clay and add horns and ears.
It's adorable!
Roll a strip of pink modeling clay to make a flower. Place it on top of the unicorn's head. Add leaves.
That's so fun!
Use tools to create shapes. Flip it over to stick the chair leg. So cute! Now let's do the table. Edge for the table. Flip it over to stick to the table leg. Cut off the top of the bottle cap. Remove it. Nice table.
That's beautiful!
This kitchen is so beautiful. Let's enjoy the cake.
Yummy!
Now we will make a TV shelf. Wrapped in red paper. Fold the edges. Add smaller panels.
If you like it, please comment below.
Put it here. One rabbit-shaped poppet. Let's open it. Awesome! Cut one part out. Take one small piece.
Do you love this?
Attach it to make a speaker. That's great! Now let's make a rainbow TV. Stick the colors together. Cut off the excess parts. Use a piece of black clay to cover the border. Lovely! Now let's make a sofa together.
Let's subscribe our channel.
Use fabric to cover the edges. Turn over and add legs to the chair.
If you like it, please comment below.
Now let's make cushions for the sofa. Cover with fabric.
So cute.
Cut off the excess fabric. Put it on the sofa. Now make a tea table.
Awesome.
Let's watch TV together.
Thank you.
Decorate a tree for the table. Now let's make a rainbow staircase. Awesome!
That's so fun.
Use a little purple. Color the box. Add border.
Excellent.
Put it here. This is the shower faucet. Now let's make a toilet.
Let's subscribe our channel.
Almost done! Looks so beautiful! Now let's bathe the unicorn.
Wonderful.
Decorate with photos. Now let's make a headboard together. Put it here.
How do you think about that?
Decorate with flowers. Now let's make the bed.
Do you love this?
Fold the edges neatly. Now make the mattress for the bed. Cover with fabric.
Lovely.
That's very wonderful. Now another unicorn head. Add ears, eyes, and horns.
That's beautiful.
Now comes the most important part, aquarium. Decorate the trees. Add one rainbow bridge. Put the fish in.
It's adorable.
Now let's see what we've done.
That's amazing. If you like it, please comment below. So cute! Awesome! That's so fun!